Last week we were asked to add another recipe to our guided recipes Cookidoo. So I just wanted to show you, there was a few people that had some issues with it, getting it onto their Cookidoo account. So this is how you go about it. So I'm on our website now. So if you just type in Becs Table on Google, it'll come to this first page. And then what you do is you type in coffee scroll and search. Then go to the coffee scroll biscuits. We scroll down till it says jump to recipe. And we click on this first part of the method. It says here, click here to send the recipe to Cookidoo. So we click and it will go to Cookidoo. Now, I'm actually not logged into Cookidoo right now, and I think this is where people were having some issues. So once it goes to Cookidoo, you need to log in. So you must have an account and you need to log in. So I'm just going to sign in now, and then here it is. So this is actually now populated into the Cookidoo account. So this is saved onto my account, and you can save it onto yours, but we only have 100 recipes that we can put in here that we personally put in to save, which is actually a lot of recipes. So I tend to only put recipes in there that I make all the time, and I don't even have 100 recipes in there. So what I suggest you do is you click on Cook Today, and that will send it straight to your Thermomix. Or if you wanted to, you could add it to your collection. I don't have the option here because it's already added to my collection, but you can also add it to a week. So if you say wanted to make these on Saturday, you can actually click on the Saturday that you want to make them, save it, and then when you go to your Thermomix on that day, it will come up saying you were going to make these today. So it's as simple as that. I hope that explains how to get there. So just remember, you need to log in first. Okay, and I just want to show you how to get to other recipes that I've made guided from my site, so my recipes. This is back on our front page of our site, and we go down to here where it says Cookidoo Guided. We have 10 recipes at the moment that are there. Click on that and it will come up with all the recipes that we actually have as guided recipes. So all you need to do is exactly the same thing. Let's look at the brownies. So I've clicked on that and I'm going down to jump to the recipe and going to that first section of the instructions, clicking here, and it will send it straight to Cookidoo. Now I'm already logged in this time because I haven't logged out from before, so the recipe will automatically go there and I can go cook today, and that's a simple thing to do. So if you have any more problems, please don't hesitate to sing out and I will help you.